Are these worms in my black-eyed peas beans? I was cooking some organic black-eyed peas earlier today and I found what appeared to be worms. I had the peas for about 1.5 weeks before I cooked them. Is this common? I did rinse the peas before cooking them, but clearly that wasn't enough. What steps can I take to prevent this? Assuming this the norm for organic black-eyed peas, how long are these good for? Should I eat them sooner? I had taken a few spoonfuls before I finally realized this. Should I be concerned? I apologize for such an elementary question. I've recently been told by my physician that I need to make some diet changes, so I've been cooking with foods I would otherwise not eat.
To take one concern away, practically none of the worm-looking parasites in food are dangerous. They are yucky, but harmless, even nutritious. But as far as I can see it from the picture, these are not worms at all. Beans and related plants have an embryo in their seeds. In white legumes, the embryo is a light pink color and looks indeed like a larva. The way to check is to look at the still intact beans. They are all made up of two symmetrical halves inside. Cut them open through the plane which separates the two halves. If they have your suspect at the concave part of the bean, where it used to attach to the pod, then this is the embryo, just a normal part of the seed which is supposed to grow into a new plant when planted. If the embryo of multiple beans looks differently from that, or is too small to notice, then these may be larvae after all. In this case, you will probably choose to discard the food because of the disgust factor. It is still not objectively unsafe. I have noticed the same thing that the op asked about. I opened one of my soaking beans, and looked up some drawings. This is most likely part of the bean, not worms. The reason could be that the manufacturers harvested these beans a bit late, and the beans have started to sprout, similar to how potatoes behave after an extended duration.